guys, Ollie and Luke here. Today we're taking Ollie out to get some sun. It's a nice day, probably one of the last ones in the season, so we want to get everyone some sun. Some fresh air one last time before the winter sets in for real. This is an old little railroad that they've turned into a hiking trail slash bike trail, so we're going to walk up and see what's going on in it. We've never been up here, so it's kind of an exploration in nature and an adventure. Ready, Ollie? Yeah, I think it's quiet enough where he'll settle. We're just near the road at the moment. So here we go. Who's that? Hello. Got a random walker.
Who was that, Ollie?
Come on then.
Alright. Come on, Ollie, let's look. You see something?
Oh, yeah, you worried about Luke? Let's stop and slow real quick. We're going by. We're going by.
Who is that, Ollie? Who is that?
He was just worried about us. She stopped to run back up. So, here we go. Now we'll be facing forward.
Come on, Ollie, let's go see. Let's go see him, bro. You see something? What did you see up there?
Seeing all the things. Oh, wow. Yeah. So this trail actually goes from here to the center of the town, which is quite a ways. It's probably like 3 or 4 miles.
Yeah, it is.
Which makes sense, I guess, if this is an old rail. I thought this was all woods, but there's a house back here and everything. Pretty
Oh.
wild.
I wonder if this is part of the historic part
I would
that
think
runs
so.
near the school.
It's a cool looking bridge. Opened up quite a bit out here. Oh, get you some sunlight? Yeah. That's okay. He's saying, help everyone, I'm outside, I don't like it. Walk on it. You see the lens? It's quite nice back here. There you go. Now you're getting comfy. Now you hear everything? You hear everything, Ollie? Maybe we can head back to the other side of town and show you the other end. Mill. There was actually a battle during the Revolutionary War here. It's really spaced out and open. Nice, good, uphill, defensible spot. He was smart, I guess. But if you guys want, we can come check out the ground to see what Ollie thinks about him. He's curious. He's looking around. Yeah? He's going for the jump. Come on in. Come on, Xylee. Stay with Daddy.
Okay, I'm coming.
Watch your step, please. So I think maybe they do a little bit of reenactment out here because there's benches where you can watch. This is like old-timey cabin. It's really solid. Like I thought it was gonna be creaky but it's really quite sturdy. It's wooden stucco or something. Really crazy to think that's up here to live almost. Pretty wild. Xylee, come down here, my love. So somebody. See, this used to be a mill, so they would mill, grain and wheat and things, millet, probably, things like that. There's 2 grindstones there. What they would do is put the grain on top and then spin it around and grind it up into flour and make bread and other things like that. That's probably just a storehouse where they kept the things. As you see, it goes way out. No? It goes way out there, huh?
Oh, you know what I just realized? It's probably the actual big mill is over there around on that other side. Remember there's a sign that says, hey, it's over there. Now it probably is back on that trail that I didn't even...
Yeah, that's probably where they... This is probably a storehouse.
Take it back, bro.
Okay, that's cool. This is John Martin Shuford's grave.
Sorry, I'm getting your butt. That's where a monkey is.
What the heck? Got my butt out.
Mommy, mommy.
So this is the grave of John Martin Shoeford, and he died 36 years old in 1780. Pretty crazy. Not a bad spot to get buried. Nice and quiet. Oh, look behind it. That's just the big one. That's the new one. The actual original's right
Oh
there.
my goodness.
Tiny.
I didn't even see that little guy over there.
Look how old that is, 1700s.
You can just barely see the JM on there.
Super old. Come on in.
Scary.
So I assume that somebody comes and puts a flag up for him.
On his birthday or something?
Yeah, or the anniversary of his death. So in June. What's wrong, boy?
Luke's pregnant, guys.
Oh my.
With a monkey.
Yeah, you ready to go home? So thanks for watching our awesome nature little informational historical hike.
It's all the words. We hope you guys liked the video. If you do, please like, subscribe, share with a friend.